I am Dr. Megha Rai, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Dr. Rafiq Zakaria, College for Women. Here I am dealing with the paper 301 of BSc second year, third semester, Analytical Chemistry. My first topic is complexometric titration. Here I am dealing with the syllabus. We have syllabus, that is complex ion, complexes, coordinate compounds, ligand, coordination number, unidentate ligands, polydentate ligands, chelates, for stepwise formation constant, titrations involving unidentate and polydentate ligands. First of all, what do you understand by the word complexes? Very simply, we can say that a center with a metal and it is surrounded by the ligands. A central metal atom bonded to a group of molecule or ions is a metal complex. If this complex is charged, then it is termed as complex ions. The compound containing complexes are also termed as coordination compounds. Now, what do you understand by the word coordination? Before that, everybody must know what is the coordinate bond. The bond formed between metal and ligand due to the sharing of lone pair of electron is termed as coordinate bond. When an orbital from a ligand with lone pair overlaps with the empty orbital from a metal is termed as coordination. Sometimes also called as coordinate covalent bond. In this, ligands must have lone pair of electrons. What do you understand by the word metal-ligand bond? In other words, we can say that this bond is formed between Lewis acid and Lewis base. Ligands act as Lewis bases having non-bonding electrons, whereas metal act as Lewis acid which have empty orbitals, also called as acceptor, and ligand is termed as donor. See the example. Silver ion in aqueous solution is added to the ammonia molecule 2NH3, in which nitrogen gives or donate lone pair of electron to the silver metal having empty orbitals. There is the formation of AgNH3 taken twice. This is a complex. The metal's coordination ligand and the geometry can greatly alter the properties such as colors and oxidation. Then what is the coordination number? Also it is also termed as ligancy. The atom that supplies the lone pair of electrons for the metal ligand bond is the donor atom. What do you understand by the word coordination number? Very simply, we can say that the total number of ligands attached to the central metal ion is its coordination number. For example, if this is ZnNH3 taken 4 times, 4 is the coordination number of zinc. In case of PtNH3 taken 4 times 2 plus, the coordination number of platinum is 4. In case of CONH3 taken 6 times or CrNH3 taken 6 times, the coordination number is 6. The number of these atoms is the coordination number. Some metals such as chromium and cobalt 3 consistently have the same coordination number, that is 6. Now, our topic is complexometric titrations. Titration means a volumetric analysis. Complexometric titration is a form of volumetric analysis in which the formation of colored complexes takes place, and it is used to indicate the end point of the titration. These titrations are particularly useful to determine the different metal ions, in which we can detect it by the color change. Complexometry is a type of volumetric analysis involving the formation of the complexes which are slightly ionized, like weak electrolyte or sparingly soluble salt or a partially soluble salt. This is all about the today's topic. We will again be there for the discussion of the second topic next time. Thank you.